If you haven't yet switched to laundry detergent sheets, let me introduce For Earth by Us laundry detergent sheets. These are the next step in your laundry game because not only are you going to get your clothing beautifully clean, but you are also doing something that's really wonderful for the planet. Because these are sheets instead of large bottles of detergent, they don't have all that water in them that is using a lot of fossil fuel usually to move it to you. These are super lightweight. They are 6 times the concentrate, so you don't need much of this to wash a full load. They come perforated, but 2 of these or a full sheet is great for a heavy large load, and then you can break them down for smaller loads. And how they work is really as easy as putting them in your washer drawer if you have a front load washer, or throwing them into the drum if you have a top load washer. And all I do is I fold them up so they fit in, and these dissolve in hot or cold water, so you have no concerns about these not fully dissolving and then turning into the detergent your clothing needs. Now, I was gifted these for review. I love this brand. I love everything they make because not only is it exceptionally high quality, but they really do go out of their way to be true to their mission, which is making products that are full circle, fantastic for the planet. So there is nothing questionable in the detergent itself. It's all plant-based bioenzymes. So this is just gonna get everything super clean without washing anything questionable into the water. And then everything about this is plastic-free. So it's fully plastic-free packaging. Everything can be taken care of responsibly. And I also love how much space this really saves because of how concentrated it is. While you do want 2 of these for a really heavy load, regular loads only need 1, and you have 96 sheets, meaning 96 regular loads in this one small box. So you really can save space in your laundry room. These are great to take when you're traveling. Let's say you're going on a trip to an Airbnb and you don't know what kind of detergent they have. Maybe you don't want weird smells or interesting chemicals in your wash. Just throw a couple of these in your bag and you're ready to go. So whether you're traveling or just doing your laundry at home, I cannot recommend FEBU's laundry detergent sheets enough. You're gonna love these.